Hi guys, it's Ilene here. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm just doing a quick VR and project share of my mem decks for Payne's birthday giveaway. If you guys don't know Ilene, her channel will be linked down below, and I love that she spells her name the same as me. Haven't met that many people with the name Ilene with an I, so yeah guys, Ilene Payne, her channel will be linked down below, and yeah, let me show you my card. Here's a look at the Mendex card I created for Ilene, guys, and I made it simple in gold and white. And then inside here I have a shaker, and I made that multicolored with little stars and butterflies and hearts in there. And then I just added the gold little stickers here from the Dollar Tree, the candle, the little cupcake, the little like arrow rocket, some stars, and then this was a separate sticker that says it's my party. And then on the back I added some more little stickers and my stamp there. And then in the middle is my tag with the information. Alright guys, that is it for today. That is my Memory Decks card for Ilene Payne's birthday giveaway. There's so many challenges going on right now. I'm trying to get in on as many as possible. And if you haven't seen mine, guys, it's linked above and below, and hope you want to get in on my Help Me Get to 1,500 Subbies Dollar Tree giveaway. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, I hope you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. I'll see you soon. Bye!